My name is Asaf Remo. I am the Production Services Director in ICL Rotem. ICL is a leading global specialty minerals company. Innovation for ICL is a core value that helps us to lead in the business competition. When we are talking about operation, we're talking about internal processes. So when we are talking about the innovation, it just helps us to find a better way to make our work more efficient. For example, in the 3D printing service center, we realized that there is a big potential with it. We can improve the way we work. If in the past we needed to wait 3 months, 4 months for a part, nowadays when we have the printer, we just need to model it and after 3 hours, 4 hours, get the part we need. All the world of the 3D printing is a big innovation because it just broke barrier that was in the past. Nowadays, every mechanical engineer can see something, design it, and print it. We realized that Stratasys have the best experience, they can bring the best value for us. We just finished HR project. Today it's very hard to find the right people with the right skills for mechanical jobs. So we just design and producing a 3D test kit that help us to do it much more efficient, to check the ability of the candidate for choosing the right person to the job. Because Stratasys is a company that's working around the globe, we see that there is a great benefit to get a lot of knowledge from other countries, and it's coming together with a great service of the local supplier that's sitting in Israel and help us in everything that we need. It's a very great advantage of Stratasys compared to others.